Hey friends, I thought I would take you through another one of my curated hand-knotted rosary kits. As you can see, it's hand-knotted rosary by you because it will be your own creation when finished. And this is what comes inside of the kit. You have 53 8mm petrified jasper beads, 6 10mm tiger's eye beads in this one, 12 spacer beads, a crucifix in center, nylon cord, knotting tool, tweezers, and a felt bead pad or felt bead mat. And here is a nice card with the Our Father, Hail Mary, and Glory Be prayers on the reverse. And we have our knotting tool used to make your barrel knots, tweezers, which we'll use to make the knots in between the beads, the felt bead mat, which is very convenient with holding your beads. You might want to just put a few in there. You could put several decades at a time. The fewer you work with, the better, because then you don't run the risk of them, all spilling out and having to chase your beads around the room. And that's happened to me on quite a few occasions. So that's a nice little convenient thing to have. Your cord, the cord that I chose for this, and I do like to use Griffin Nylon Power for my rosaries, is the one with the needle attached, which makes it very easy to thread your beads on. This one is in the color beige, which is really a very dark beige. That goes very nicely with the beads. So we will start with let's start with the beads. We'll start with the Hail Mary beads, which are the petrified jasper beads. And I like the petrified jasper gemstone because I love the colors. They have different hues in them of some olive, taupe, brown, and they're all very very different, but they go well together. And then we have the Our Father beads, which are the tiger's eye. They really are quite lovely, these 10mm tiger's eye beads. Now I like to use spacers on either side of my Our Father bead to set it apart a little bit, but you don't need to. Some people just rather have knots in between every bead and don't like spacer beads or don't want to use them. So that's an optional thing, but they are included. So you have one for either side of your Our Father. Let's see, we have a couple of in here that escaped, so we'll get them back in the bag. And the center and the crucifix that I've chosen for this one is the Saint Michael the Protector. So you've got this lovely crucifix, and it is a pardon crucifix, as well as the Saint Michael center. And on the reverse says Saint Michael, protect us. And when I make my kits, I like to keep them a bit unique. I don't duplicate an entire rosary if I can help it, I'm sure that will happen eventually, but I try to change up something about it, whether it's the center and the crucifix, or the spacer beads, the cord, the Hail Mary beads, Our Father beads, something, so that it, it stays unique to you. So there you go. I'm going to put everything back. The Hail Mary beads, the Our Father beads, the spacer beads, the cord. Or actually, we'll put the crucifix in center, and the cord, the mat, the knotting tool, the tweezers, and the card. Put that on the top. And that is your kit. And as they say, good things come in small packages, so this is no exception to that. And I also include instructions, so you'll have a step-by-step tutorial with pictures helping you along your journey to create the rosary. I hope that you like it, and thank you so much for viewing.